measurement. It's called a facing operation. Facing the front off, a little bitty cut on the front. All the way across. It's a little uneven, if you notice it. I'll put it a little bit more. What it's doing is cutting grooves in the pulley. This is my dial indicator. It's moving over between one groove and another groove. So I got 3 grooves in it. You can see my tool in there. And I'm dialing it in so much. Yes. Doing that. Now watch what I'm doing because the machine's running, but I'm dialing in for y'all where y'all can see. Dialing in. Cut. 140,000 apart. So currently, that's the type of belt they use on automotive, and that's the type of belt I'm using on making this pulley. This groove happen to be 140 apart, so I got to move this indicator, making sure I got enough travel in it. Go another 140, and I do. So I'm gonna move it 140 over. Here comes 10, 20, 30, 40. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Remember, I'm not worried about the numbers on there. I'm going with moving it over from where I'm at on the position. So I started at 10, I went around 100. So it's back on 10. So I'm gonna go 40 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So that's it right there. That'll be my next groove in my pulley. It'll be right there. I'm gonna put a little oil on it. I'm gonna cut the groove. There it goes.